Hey guys, today we are showing you my slime collection, so let's get started. Okay, so here's our first one. Get over here. Okay. My fingers get caught in a bubble, so
It's really hard to get the slime out of baggies, but they work really well. Okay. No. I might have, I don't know.
Okay, so yeah, that's basically our first one. So,
Butter slime. You can make it out of Daiso clay, Model Magic, or cornstarch. I can't choose between Daiso clay or cornstarch.
okay, so now moving on to the second one. Okay, here is our second one. So, and if you're wondering why it is like this, it's because it is made out of borax, but it feels really cool.
It's like a water slime.
Yeah, but it's really cool. I like it.
I'm hungry.
Okay. I like to poke it. I can make a bubble with them. Beep. I like to poke it.
I ruined my bubble.
Whoa, slime just flamed. Oh, that one broke. I messed up. That one did not go as planned. Oops. Yep. That was horrible. Okay, now let's move on to our fourth one, or our third, can't remember. Okay, this is our, I believe it's our third one. Okay.
Sorry it's out of the containers. I already started taking it out before the video started, so
Okay, this one is crunchy. It has like some beads in it, but I don't think you can tell. See, it has beads.
Ow, my foot's falling asleep. And I'm hungry.
It's really crunchy too, but I like to poke it whenever it's crunchy. It's really cool. And this one's a jiggly slime, so you can't like make a bubble because it just breaks.
Guys, if y'all are wondering how to make slime, like if it's really stringy, all you do is add more glue. Don't throw it away because that's just wasting it. My foot's asleep.
This one you can't make a bubble because it's too jiggly. So,
Buddy, you can poke it. Most jiggly slimes you can't poke. Oh, that was a lot.
better hurry. We've got one more slime after this. Well, maybe two. I think two.
She has an even slime, so one of us is going to have one more than the other.
Yeah.
But we just won't show it. Or she could just do another favorite of her slime.
Look, it has beads. Peoples.
Oh, there's slime right there.
Did you get it all over yourself?
Oh. Okay, a little bit more. Ooh, that was a lot. I'm going to have to add more glue. Again.
Get off the counter.
I'm yelling at me. When yelling at me.
Are you Miranda Slangs?
Kelsey, Yes. It's easy to get off. It's okay. Guys,
It's not okay with behind the scenes, girl. Yeah.
guys, this is going to take a while, so we'll be back whenever.
Yeah,
the
we'll be
slime is
back.
finished.
Bye. So we're gonna play with it for like a second or a minute, and then we're moving on.
Because my slime is incredibly sticky.
Yeah.
And I didn't fix it all the way.
Oh, a bead just fell. So, but look at all the beads.
And if y'all are wondering, these two slimes are mine that I made earlier in the day.
Yep. So we're gonna move on to our next one. Okay, here is my last one. She has one more. So yeah.
Because, like I told you, her slimes are uneven. But we're done making slime for the night.
I think this one is my favorite out of them all.
I'm gonna fill it.
Don't mix mine with
Yeah,
yours.
it's really sticky and everything. This one isn't sticky anymore. Guys, y'all can see me. Wait. That was just a slime ripping.
Okay,
Y'all can
this.
legit see me. Like the slime isn't ripped. Oh.
I can make a big, huge bubble. Ugh, hold on. I can get it. Just my hands. Like sometimes it messes up. See? A bubble, but it's not really huge.
Can I try a bubble with that?
Yeah.
Guys, this
This
slime.
sign is so weird. I like it though.
Oh, dang it. Okay, let me try that again.
You can legit see me.
This one ripping. Okay, so this girl, our school sells slime for free. Like, legit, you don't have to pay. And so, she uses borax.
But it turned. I let it sit, and it turned like really soft. That's how stretchy it is, and it was made with borax.
And
Like
borax makes it
this
really
one.
pretty. Oh, did you hear that?
That was a cool sound. Okay, I think we're gonna stop it in a minute after she does her last one. It's basically that same one, it's just like smaller. So we won't show that one because it's just the same thing.
No, it's not. It's like darker. Like, it's way darker.
Oh, we'll show y'all. Okay.
After we play this for an hour or two.
While she shows the other one, I'll play with this one. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna keep playing with this one.
Okay, so this one is almost exactly like the other one, but it's really darker. Here, I'll show you this one. Here, I'll open it and show you all the difference. Okay. Okay. That's the difference. Like, there's a huge difference.
Yeah, this one is really cool. I'll show you all again what I did because I like doing it. It's really cool.
I'm the one that
And then
taught her that.
go like this. It has a lot of crackling noise. And it doesn't have beads in it either. See? No beads. No beads.
I taught her that. She saw me do it, and then I was like, I want to try it. That's what, whenever people do that, they always say, I want to try. That's what I was too.
That was a big bubble.
Yeah, I think this maybe is made out of the same glue.
It is.
Okay, because it's really little.
Okay, so we're going to stop the video. So make sure you like, subscribe, share this video with friends and family. Until next time, bye.